Hello guys, I hope the stream has started. Let me check it. Let me check. Let me check if the stream has started or not. Okay, it has started. Hello. Okay, it has started. It is working fine. Let's see if the bot is working fine or not. The chat display, I hope it is working. And let me share the link of the stream to my Instagram, Facebook, so that viewers can come. Motrix has joined. Let me share the stream. Okay, chat display is also working. Hello, I'm currently sharing the link of the stream on my social media platforms. So after that, I will start. So wait a few minutes. Hmm. Post. Okay, I have posted in Facebook. Now I will post in Instagram. I will post in Instagram the link. We have a group of IT. I will share there first, and then I will share it in my story. There you go. I will share it in the story now. I actually changed the display for the subscriber goal because I wanted to first reach 300 and then 500. That's why I changed it. So yeah. Let me share the link first, and we'll start in a few minutes time. I have a lot to do today, and I'll most probably stay longer. I'm so tired as well. I will admit. La, 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 la. Okay, so I have shared it in Instagram as well. Let's get started then. Uh, what I have to do today is I have to learn. I'm currently at video number 62 of Sigma Web Development course, so I'll continue from that. But before that, I want to show you guys the website that I was creating yesterday, which I couldn't finish in the stream because the battery of my laptop died, so I had to end the stream. But I finished it later on, and yeah, this is the final product. Let me show you guys the what was the end result. So this was a landing page which I had already made, Kathmandu Valley Guide website. Then when you click on the guide, here you go. This is the guide for Kathmandu. This is the image section, and there's another. When you go here, when you click on the guide for Bhaktapur, it opens for Bhaktapur, and you can also read the text. And here are all the images, and same goes for Lalitpur. When you click on the guide, it all opens. If you guys want the source code for this, then I have already shared it in my GitHub. If you go here, projects, here it is called practice 4, and here you can find all the source code. If you want the link, then you can just go to my profile, and here I have shared the post with the link, and this one. This post, this is the link. So if you guys click on this, you will see that GitHub will open. So yeah, this is the post. You guys can connect with my LinkedIn and GitHub and other social media platforms as well. I have put all the links in the description of this live. So yeah, I wanted to show that first before we started with the Sigma Web Development course. So let me open my folder for Sigma, and I am at video number 62. So I will stay in the projects folder. I don't have to go in here. I will stay in the projects folder. And the reason I'm staying in the projects folder is because video number 62 has another exercise which I'll have to put here. It is exercise 10 and it is called business name generator. So I have to do that. Business name generator. Okay, so this is the folder. Now let's open it specifically. Project business name generator. There you go. This is the one that I have to do. I don't know what I exactly have to do, so I will have to check that first. The stream is going fine again. Today I won't be able to check how the stream is going from my mobile because I will have to watch the videos from there. But yeah, I hope it is they are going fine. Yeah, it is going decently and it looks good. The sound quality is also great. So yeah, let's go. Let's grind. Let's grind for the Sigma Web Development course. I'm at video number 62. So where's the video number 62? Video number 62. Here you go. SaaS प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए किया जाता है. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. आज इस JavaScript का इस्तेमाल आजकल बहुत ही SaaS प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए किया जाता है. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. आज इसी तरह का SaaS प्रोडक्ट हम लोग बनाएंगे जो कि होगा एक बहुत ही सिंपल सा बिजनेस नेम जनरेटर. एक बहुत अच्छे SaaS प्रोडक्ट का एग्जांपल Canva है जिसने JavaScript का इस्तेमाल करके एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट दुनिया के सामने खड़ा कर दिया जो कि पहल का मचा रहा है डिजाइनिंग में. आज मैं चाहता हूं कि आप सभी लोग मेरे इस क्वेश्चन को समझो और इस बिजनेस नेम जनरेटर को बनाने का ट्राई करो. इससे आप लोगों को पता चलेगा कि रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम्स को किस तरह से सॉल्व करना है जावास्क्रिप्ट की मदद से. तो आप इस वीडियो को लाइक करके नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में चैलेंज एक्सेप्टेड आप लोगों को इसको बनाना है एक बिजनेस नेम जनरेटर. क्या ये बिजनेस नेम जनरेटर? देखो index.js आप लिखोगे तो आपको एक नई फाइल बनाओगे index.js नाम की. मैं आपको क्या बताऊं और ये अ बिजनेस नेम जनरेटर बाय कंबाइनिंग लिस्ट ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. मैं आपको वर्ड आपको लेता हूं बाय कंबाइनिंग लिस्ट ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स एंड शॉप नेम एंड another word. ठीक है, तो तीन तरह के वर्ड्स को मिला के आपको एक यहाँ पर बिजनेस नेम जो है
जनरेट करना है, ठीक है। तो कैसे होगा वो बिजनेस नेम जनरेट? तो यहाँ पर मैं आप लोगों को कुछ एडजेक्टिव्स के नाम दूंगा, ठीक है। जैसे कि मैं आप लोगों को दूंगा क्रेजी, मैं दूंगा अमेजिंग, मैं दूंगा फायर, ठीक है। इन तीनों को आप लोगों को स्टार्टिंग में यूज करना है, ठीक है। तो ये है हमारे एडजेक्टिव्स की लिस्ट। और मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहता हूँ कि आप लोगों को एरेज का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है। अगर आप एरेज का इस्तेमाल कर बैठे इसमें, तो मैं आप लोगों को ये मानूंगा कि आप लोग डिपेंड हो रहे हो एरेज पर, और आप एक अच्छे जावास्क्रिप्ट डेवलपर नहीं हो, क्योंकि मैं आप लोगों को एक रिस्ट्रिक्शन दे रहा हूँ यहाँ पर। मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ कि आप लोगों को कुछ इस तरह से करना है काम कि एरेज का प्रयोग आप लोग नहीं करोगे, आप लोग फंक्शंस का प्रयोग करोगे, और आप लोग क्या करोगे, स्ट्रिंग्स का प्रयोग करोगे। तो आपको ये जो एडजेक्टिव्स है ये यूज करना है पहला वर्ड में। इसके बाद आप लोगों को शॉप नेम में क्या करना है, कुछ इस तरह से इस्तेमाल करना है, इंजन, या फिर आप लोगों को करना है बूट्स, या फिर उसके बाद आप लोग कर सकते हो किसकी बात करें, गारमेंट्स, ठीक है, कुछ इस तरह से। और इसके बाद आप लोगों को जो अनदर वर्ड यूज करना है, ठीक है, एक ब्रोज करना है यूज आप लोगों को, एक लिमिटेड यूज करना है, और एक आप लोगों को यूज करना है हम, ठीक है। अब आपको एक वर्ड इसमें से लेना है, एक वर्ड इसमें से लेना है, और एक वर्ड इसमें से लेना है रैंडमली, और एक नया नाम जनरेट करना है, बिजनेस नेम जनरेट होगा, जैसे कि क्रेजी फूड्स लिमिटेड, जैसे कि क्रेजी इंजन हब। इस तरह का एक नाम जनरेट होगा। एरेज का प्रयोग मत करना, ठीक है। एरेज का नहीं करोगे, प्रयोग आप लोग करोगे डिस्क्वालीफाइड एक्सरसाइज से, ठीक है। आप लोगों को स्ट्रिंग बना के इसको लिखना है, डिफेंस में आना है, रैंडम नंबर जनरेट करना है, वो सब अलाउड है। फंक्शंस का प्रयोग कर सकते हो, एरेज का प्रयोग मत करना। एरे मैंने पढ़ाया नहीं है, ये आपको मैं एक चैलेंज दे रहा हूँ कि भाई आपको एरेज का प्रयोग नहीं करना। एरे मैंने देख लिया अगर डिस्क्वालीफाइड, ठीक है। आई होप कि आप इस एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करोगे। सो अभी के लिए इस वीडियो में इतने ही। अगर आप लोग
Okay, so we have checked the exercise, and to be honest, I have no idea how to do it. I have no idea how to do it because I don't know how. I don't know how you can just get them randomly selected. That is the one thing that I don't know. So yeah, I'll have to see. For now, let's go to Harry's GitHub. Mm, Here I can find the instructions for that particular exercise. Video number 62. As you can see here it is. So I'll just copy and paste here. So this is what we have to do: create a business name generated by combining list of adjectives and shop name and another word. So let me see first how others have solved this. After that I can have some idea. Let object 1 equals to crazy amazing, let object 2, let object 3. So 3 functions. Then where ran 1, so maybe that is for random. Math.floor, math.random into 3 plus 1. Ran 2, ran 3. Console.log, object 1 ran 1 plus object 2 ran 2 plus object 3 ran 3. Okay. Tips for logic building of learning JavaScript. Comma with all man. Function generator xyz. Let num equals to fat math.floor math.random 3 multiplied by 3. If num equals to 0, return x. Else if num equals to 1, return y. Else console.log generator name is was generator crazy amazing fire plus generator. So yeah, this is pretty simple one. We have used if, else if, and else. The only formula that we have used is this for random. The one thing that I have not liked about this course of Harry is he hasn't taught some things to us. Like he has left it completely like this random thing. Like he hasn't taught us how to use this random function. So yeah, we have to figure it on our own. That's why I don't know how to solve this. But after seeing this solution, I think this is pretty easy. He has created xyz3, written x. Senator. Hmm. Okay, so most probably he has first kept it as that. Hmm. Let's see. Let x equals to. Hmm. I don't know how to do it. That's amazing. Fires. Equals to engine rules come. Let set equals to use limited and hot broad. This is bros. Hmm. Then you create a function called generator x y. Should I don't know how to do. I'm just hoping to do trial and error here, and it works. Let's see. None equals to math math, and I want to first go and revisit the functions note that we did. I'm really struggling at functions, so let's see. This is just functions, function, example, function, nice name, function, and that's the name, function parameters, constant, hey, and nice, hey. Okay, now I understand how to do it. You don't need this. You don't need this. XYZ math dot let num equals to math dot floor. I don't understand this. I will ask ChatGPT for this random one. Math dot random, then parenthesis, and then 3. Mostly because we have 3. Yeah, I don't understand this. Yes. If num equals to 0, hmm, nah, if else. Else if condition, num equals to 1, we would have written y, I guess. Else we written z. Now that we have done this, we will do the function call. For the function call, we will write console.log generated name is now for the place of x, I guess, right? Yeah, for the place of x, inside parenthesis, you gotta write those crazy amazing fire Hmm. Then okay, I have to write generator before because that's the function name. It will only work after that generator. Okay. Then another generator, right? Engine, foods, garments. Now the Z1, limited, and then hub. Yep. Now let's see how does this work. Then it is Crazy Foods Limited. If we again do it, amazing foods pro. Then amazing. After this, let's. Oh, okay. After this, we put a full stop as well. Yeah, amazing foods. Okay, so it has been done. But I had to see the solution. But yeah, and let's ask Copilot app. Uh, let's ask Copilot. Yeah. This line of JavaScript code generates a random integer between 0 and 2 inclusive. 0 and 2. Okay, so if you write 3, it will generate from 0, 1, 2. Okay. Inclusive and assignates to the variable num integer. Okay. And because it is this, and so this math.floor math.random3, this will generate a random integer from 0 to 2. And if the num, which is the variable that we have assigned to the random integer, so if the num is 0, it will return x, that is the first one. Else if it is 1, then it will be 2, and since there is only 0, 1, 2, then the remaining one is 2, so else return z, and that's how there will be 3 of those. And yeah, in the function we write generator, this is for the x, return x, this is the return y, and this is return z. This is the function call, produces a floating point number. Okay, this is being blocked by the display. Let me see it like this for a while. Okay, okay. This variable and a random process floating point number between 0 and it might be 0.57. One line this result by 3 is considering between 0 and 3. Mandel floor rounds the resulting number down to the nearest whole digit. This means any value 0 up to but not including 1 becomes 0. From 1 up to 2 becomes 1, and from 2 up to just below 3. Hmm? Math.flow rounds the resulting number down to the nearest whole integer. This means any value from 0 up to but not including 1 becomes 0. From 1 up to 2 becomes 1, and from 2 up to. I don't understand. The find is that num will always either be 0, 1, or 2. This is only used to in the random list. But nothing okay. So basically, math.random picks a random integer from 0 and 1. That is what I have understood. Math.floor is basically used to round it up. So it is better to use that. So from now onwards, whenever I need to choose, yes, not choose exactly, to get a random integer, I can just use this. So let me write it in my notes so that I don't forget it. Was generating a random integer. So for generating a random integer, let's close this. Random integer we can write let example let num equals to math.floor math. Ink finished. Ink of my pen finished. Okay, so here it is. Math.floor math.random parenthesis ampersand 3 and then this. Okay. 0 1 2. Okay. So the problem has been solved, the exercise. Let's move on to the next one. Let's go to Chrome, Notion. This is how I like to set up what I have learned. As you can see, I'm running late. Today is 25th or 25th. It is August 25, so I should have finished till video 72, but I am just at video 62 for now. Yeah, I won't put video 61 because I had skipped that one, I guess. So now I will move on to the next video. I have to grind a lot, as you can see. I need to be at video 72. Let's see how much where can I go. Now next video, it is arrays. It is a 30 minutes video. So yeah, first I will this is how I learn. First I will, is it paid batch pro? No, it is not paid batch. Let me show you. It is not paid batch. I don't know if you are still watching or not, but let me show you. Sigma Web Development course is a free course available on YouTube by CodeWithHarry. It is completely free. As you can see, this is the course. It teaches you from start, and from start I mean from the start, like from installing VS Code to the complete backend. So you will know front end, back end, database, everything, and all of this is free. It has total 109 videos, and there are multiple projects, multiple exercises, and yeah, it is really awesome to have this course for free. And most of the people that I know who knows web development have learned it from here. So yeah, you can also learn from here. It is really cool. I'm also learning from it. Now I'm at video 63. So yeah. Okay, let me not close Brave because the live stream is going. I have to check it from there. Yep, I hope it helped. Yeah, the stream is running smoothly. I hope the audio is coming. The audio is coming smoothly as well. Let me know if there's any problems. So yeah, let's get to video number 63 now, which is about arrays. So for that, I will go to the folder. This one. Let's close the terminal. Let's create a new folder for video number 63. Video 63. Now let's open that separately. Video number 63. And this is for arrays. This is a 30-minute video, so it will take some grinding. Script also, yes. So let me make some notes. I really like to take notes while studying, no matter which subject or what language am I studying. It really helps me stay focused, and I can always come back to my notes and I don't remember anything. And yeah, I have this tendency to always forget stuff that I have learned. So yeah, my notes really helps. If you guys ever need my notes, then just let me know. I can definitely provide them. Okay, and JavaScript arrays. So yeah, and by the way, CodeWithHarry has also provided his notes, which are also really helpful. So before watching the video, I will go and watch those notes. You can download these notes for free from his website. So I guess it is in chapter 6, I guess, for arrays. JavaScript browser, no. I guess chapter 5 then. Yeah, chapter 5 is for the arrays. Yep, so before watching the video, I will first was read these notes on my own and then try to take any notes or understand things. Then I will watch the videos, so that way it will help me to better recall everything and just understand. So arrays are variables which can hold more than one value. Const fruits, banana, apple, grapes, const A1, 7, Harry, false can be different types. Okay, so this is one of the basic things of array. Array are also variables, but their main property, their main feature is that they can hold more than one variable, and those variables can be of different types. They can be a string, they can be a boolean, they can be a integer, they can be anything. So let me take notes first. Hmm. Arrays are variables which can hold const fruits equals to banana, apple, grapes. For those of you who don't know what const is, it is also a variable. But the thing with const is that you can't change the value inside of const. It means constant, so obviously, as the name suggests, you can't change the value. So whenever you have variable where you want to keep stuff that you don't want to be changed anytime soon, then you use const instead of let. Otherwise, we normally use let in JavaScript as the go-to variable. So that is accessing values. Let numbers equals to 1279. Number 0 equals to 1, number 1 equals to 2. Yeah. If you guys don't understand what this means, it starts from 0. The indexing, if you see in JavaScript, it is from 0, 1, 2, 3. It starts from 0. That's why when you hit number 0, it shows 1, because 1 it has 1 is at the position, the index 0. That's why it is showing 1. And then 2 is at index 1. That's why it is showing 2. That's how it goes. So the indexing basically means positioning. So yeah, it is a really important concept in any programming language, not only JavaScript. And there is finding the length. Let numbers equals to 1792. And yeah, as you can see, this is the indexing 0, 1, 2, 3. Number 0, 1. Number dot length. So when you hit number dot length, okay, so here's the difference that you need to understand. Indexing, it starts from 0. So it will show 0, 1, 2, 3. Length is basically how many are there. So if you see how many are there are four integers here. That's why that is the length, and it will be 4. So you need to understand that difference, otherwise you will get confused. And that is changing the values. Late numbers, see, you can't do this in const, but since this is late, we can change the values. Late numbers 7 to 40 and 9. Wait a minute, until I'm um, seeing the notes, let me open YouTube and check the live stream so that it is working fine. Yeah, it is working fine. So yeah, changing the values, as you can see, let number 7 to 49, number 2 equals to 8. So what will this happen? Number 2, since 40 is at index number 2, which is the position, the 40 will be changed. So numbers now become 7, 2, 8, 9. As you can see, 40 got changed and it became 8. So this can be confusing at first. When you see 2, you will expect that this will replace, but you have to keep indexing in your mind and know that 40 will be replaced. Arrays are mutable, arrays can be changed. Yeah, arrays are mutable, arrays can be changed. Let me write that in my note. Hmm. Arrays are mutable, arrays can be changed. Okay, and there is in JavaScript, arrays are objects. The type of operator on arrays depends on what? In JavaScript, arrays are objects. Arrays are objects. The type of operator on arrays depends on objects. In JavaScript, arrays are objects. The type of operator on arrays. Type of and returns object. Okay. Hmm. In JavaScript, arrays are objects. Type of thing. Arrays are objects. Arrays are objects. Example, const n equals to 179 type of n returns object. Arrays can hold many values under a single name. Array methods. There are some important array methods in JavaScript. Some of them are as follows. ToString converts an array to a string of comma separated values. Let n179 and ToString 179. Okay, joins all the array elements using a separator. Let n equals to 7 9 13 n dot join 7 9 elements using a separator. Okay, sorry. Pop removes last element from the array. Removes last element from the array. Let n equals to 1 2 4. Removes last element from the array. Let n equals to 1 to 4 and pop updates the original array, returns the popped value. Element, so it will remove 4. Let me check these ones. These, so what are they called? Array methods. So there are multiple array methods, so let me do them first. First one is ToString. It says that it will convert an array to a string of comma separate values. So let's try that. Let n equals to 1 2 3. By the way, for those of you who don't know, the semicolon is not really compulsory in JavaScript. JavaScript is known as a really forgiving language. So if you don't use semicolons as well, it will work fine. But if you have learned C++ in the past, you know that semicolon is compulsory there. But in JavaScript, it will also run if you don't use semicolon. But it is really good practice if you use semicolon. So yeah, make sure it is a habit of yours to use semicolon, because once you start not using it, then it will remain as a habit and it can trouble you later on. So yeah, to string. Okay, so this is what you got to do. Let me see. Let me run. And as you know, JavaScript was mainly built to run in the browser, but you can run it in the terminal in the backend using Node.js. That is the main work of Node.js. For those of you who don't know, for the beginner ones, those who don't know. So n dot to string function to. Okay. Why is it not showing? Like, am I writing the wrong syntax? And to, yeah, I am writing the wrong syntax. I have left parenthesis. So as you can see, so while looking, this may seem the same, but it is completely different. This these three they are integers, these three they are strings. So yeah, like this is obviously not a good example, but yeah, that's what they are. This two string, right, converts an array to a string of a comma separator. Converts an array to an string of comma separated values. Okay, this is one. Another is pop, I guess. No, join. Joins all the array elements using a separator. Okay. So yeah, let's do the same. Console.log n. What was the syntax? N dot join. Okay. N dot join, and then inside the parenthesis you write this. Okay. So like you can write basically anything. Or not. Let me check. Let me check with this first. Then I'll see. Yeah, it did that. What if I said n? Yeah, you can basically use anything. So yeah, joins the array elements. Joins the array elements with whatever you write. Joins the array elements with whatever you write inside. Yeah. Another is pop. Console.log pop and dot pop. So let's run it again, and as you can see, it will just show the last element, which is this 3. Updates the original array. Okay, it updates the original array. So let me check. After doing pop, let's do one thing. Let's run n. Yep, it is just 1, 2. Updates original array. That is, it is just 1 and just 1 comma 2 comma, and returns popped value, that is 3. Let's comment the entire line, or I can just write it in the last. Another is push. Adds a new element at the end of the array. So let a equals to 7128. Then a dot push modifies the original array, returns the new array length. Okay, modifies the original array, returns a new array length. Okay. Console.log n dot push. Let's say I want to add 4. I want to add 4. Eh? Okay. My numlock was off. I want to add 4, and then yeah. So what this will return? This will return the new length, that is 4. Yep, it returned 4, but it has modified. So if you go here, if you see, it has modified 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I wrote comma here. Okay, so if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, there you go. So let's write the comment. Modifies the original array, returns the new array. Modifies the original array, returns the new array. Returns the new array length. Another is shift. Removes the first element and returns it. Okay. Let's try it as well. Console.log shift n dot shift. So if you see at the last, there you ignite. What was it again? removes first element. Now let's run. Yeah, it removed the first and returned it. Removes first element. Removes first element and returns it. Another one. Let's go for the another array method, and that is onshift. Adds element to the beginning, returns new array length. Okay, what this does is console.log unshift and dot onshift and dot onshift. So I have to write something. Let's say I want to add 0. Now what this will do is this will return 4 most probably. Yep, it returns 4. The 4 is the length 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But now if you go ahead and then print n, you will see that it has updated the n, and as you can see there's 0, 1, 2, 3 now. So yeah, that's how it works. It only returns the length, but in reality it has also returned the it has also changed the variable. Adds element to the beginning, returns new array length. Adds element to the beginning, returns new array length. Another string method is array method is delete. Delete array elements can be deleted using the delete operator. Let d equals to this. Delete d1. Delete is an operator. Okay, this seems a bit different in the other array method. Let's see. Console log and dot delete. Let's say I want to delete 1. It would be really good if it worked like this, but I don't. Yeah, that this is not the correct syntax. Let delete d1. Delete d1. What type of syntax is this? Delete. Is this the syntax? I don't know. Delete dot d, I guess. No, let me see. Let me see. Delete dot n. I have to write delete dot n. What am I writing? Delete dot n. There's no dot. The syntax is really confusing because true. True? How is this true? How is this true? Why is it so true? One empty item 3. Ah, okay, that's how it works. Deletes an array element. Deletes an element. Oh my god, there are so many of them. Another is concat. Let me take a break for a minute, guys. Let me drink some water and yeah, rest for a while. Let me take. I'll be back in a while, so yeah, stay with me. Hello, I'm back. I hope the sound is coming. Is it coming?
Hello, I'm back.
Yes,
I hope the sound is coming.
it is coming. Okay, so let's get on with. No, not this. Let's close this first. We don't need that. And the array method, it is concat used to join arrays to the given array. Let a1 equals to 1 2 3, a2 4 5 6, ac 9 8 7. a1 dot concat a2 a3 returns 1 2 3 5 6 9 8 7. Returns a new array. Does not change existing arrays. Okay, nice, good example. It means this: let a1 equals to 1 2 3. Let a2 equals to 4 5 6, then 6, then let a3 equals to 6 7 8 9. Now we're gonna concat this console.log a1 dot concat a2 comma a3. Now what this will do is connect them all. Concatenation basically means connecting them all together. So if we print this, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it all got connected, all these three variables. What this does is it does not change the actual variables. Like, it won't change the value of a1, it will remain the same, that is 1 to 3. But what this will do is create something new, and that will be the entire collection of all this. I hope you understand. Start the comment. Returns a new array, does not change existing arrays. Returns a new array, does not change existing arrays. So yeah, that's for concatenation. Concat. Let's keep gap right there. It will make them look more easy to read. Basically, it will make them more easy to read in the future. So I can just use alt. I can just use alt. But yeah. Okay, so another array method, sort. Sort method is used to sort an array alphabetically. Let a equals to 798, a dot sort. A changes to 789. Okay, modifies the original array. Okay, this is a really useful one, I think. Yeah, this is the most useful one, most probably. So what this does is it will sort the array in alphabetical order. So n dot sort, I guess. N dot sort. N dot sort. Yeah, n dot sort, I guess. That is the syntax. No. Okay, so for the example, I will do this. Now, as you can see, it is one. Let me show you. Before we do sort, the n is like this. The n is 1 3 2. But after we do sort, it is 1 2 3, as you guys can see. So now, what else can we do? Let me again change this. 1 2 3. And let's write comment. Modifies the original array. Sort an array. Sort arrays alphabetically. Modifies original array. Oh my god, the note has grown a lot. Another. Sort takes an optional compare function. If this function is provided as the first argument, the sort function will consider these values. The values returned from the compare function as the basis of sorting. What? Sort takes an optional compare function. If this function is provided as the first argument, the sort function will consider. Take an optional compare function. If this function is provided as the first argument, the sort function will consider these values. The values returned from the compare function as the basis of sorting. I have that. Splice. Splice can be used to add new items to an array. Const numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numbers dot splice 2, 1, 2, 20, 20. Position to add, okay, so 3. Number of elements to remove 1, okay. Elements to be added 23 and 24. Returns deleted items, modifies the array. Okay. Let's try this one. Const numbers equals to 1, 2, 3. Let's do the same as nodes. 3, 4, 5, 5. Wait a minute. Console.log splice numbers dot splice. Position that I want to do is 2. Number of elements to be deleted 1 and 23, 24, right? Yep. Console.log numbers. Okay, let's see. 3 is the one that got spliced, and now it is 1, 2, 23, 24, 4, 5. Wait a minute, I will write it in my note. There you go. Splice is also done. Let me write 2 is the position to add. 1 is number of elements to remove. 23 and 24 elements to be added. Elements to be added. Splice returns deleted element, modifies original array. Returns deleted items. Okay. That was it for splice. Splice stirs, sorts alphabetically, concatenates, delete, unshift adds element to the beginning, returns new array length, pop, push modifies returns new array length. So, what does push does? Element in the end. After splice, it is slice. Slices out a piece from an array, it creates a new array. Const num equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Num dot slice 2, that is 3, 4. 0, 1, okay? 0, 1, 2. Slice 1, num dot slice 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I don't understand the slice. Slices out a piece from an array. Slices out a piece from an array. It creates a new array. Slices out a piece from an array. It creates a new array. I don't understand this as. Explain slice array method. Yes. The slice method in Java is used to copy a portion of an array into a new array without modifying the original one. Array.slice start end. Okay, these numbers, these elements are start and end. So 0, 1, 2. Okay, the reason this is 3 and 4 is because it starts from 2, that is the start, but there's no mention of end, so it will go to len, and that is 4. So 3 and 4 will come. Here the start is 1, so it will be 2, and then the end is 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will go till 4. It should go. Okay, so the end. Okay, and there's another concept in JavaScript. The end, it will not actually end in the end. It's really hard to explain, but basically, here's how I would like to explain it. If you write 4 as the end, it will end at 3. If you end it at if you write 3, then it will end at 4. If you see the indexing, it is 0, 1, 2, 3. So here we have wrote it will end at 3. So where will it end? It will end at 2. That's how it works in JavaScript. It is a bit confusing, but that's how it works. It ends one element before of what we write. So yeah, we have wrote indexing 3. So it will end 2, 0, 1, 2. No, we have wrote 3 which is 4, so it will end at 2. Okay, I have understood. Slice now. Let me write it. So let num. Let's do it same as here. Use const 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, const 1, 2, 3, 4. So here console.log num.slice 2. Console.log num.slice. Let's say 1, 2, 3. So what will print? Uh, so what will be printed here? Num.slice 2. 0, 1, 2. So it will be 3 and 4. Num.slice 1, 3. So it will be 0, 1. It will be 2, 2. We have got 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will be 2, 3. It will be 2, 3. So let's hope it works. Okay. It is num. Okay, wait a minute. Const num console.log num.slice. I have mistaken the syntax here. Num.slice const. Okay, I think we should not use const. I think the note of Harry is wrong. Yep, we should not use constant. This is wrong. 3, 4 and 2, 3. It works. One is the start and remember that in JS it ends before one element. I've wrote. Slice of the piece of an array is creates a new array. Slice out a piece from an array creates a new array. 2 is the starting element and there's no end. Yep, slice out a piece from an array, it creates a new array. 2 is the starting element and slice out a piece from an array, it creates a new array. 2 is the starting element and there's no end. 1 is the start, 3 is the end. Remember that in JS it ends before one element that we have brought. Yeah. So this is it for slice. Reverse. Okay, so another array method is reverse. Reverses the elements in the source array. So this is basically this is really simple. Let's write this. To C control V console dot log parenthesis reverse num dot reverse. So I think this should work. As you can see, it reverses 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's how reverses the array. So yeah, I guess these were the most important array methods. Now we'll go to looping through arrays. Arrays can be looped through using the classical JavaScript for loop or through some other method discussed below. Have we studied loop before? I think we have. Let me check the loop notes. Functions, loops. Yeah, we have. There are in total 5. No, I think there are more, but mainly there are 5 types of loops in JavaScript: for loop, for in loop, for off loop, while loop, and do while loop. We all know for, while, and do while, so the extra ones are for and for off. For loop loops a block of code number of times. Let me see the syntax. I'm seeing it in my notes here. For loop let I, for off let ops. Syntax is fairly simple if you ask me of the loops. I'll have to revise them again, but yeah, it's not that hard. Let while console. Do this, do while. Yeah. So looping for arrays. Arrays can be looped through using the classical JavaScript for loop or through some other methods below. For each loop, yeah, these were the ones that I'm talking about. These are the extra ones. For each, calls a function once for each array element. Const a equals to 1 to 3. A for each value index array function logic. I don't understand. For each loop, value index array. Value index and then array. Okay. For each. Let's ask GPT for each loop in JS. For each loop, there is an array method used to execute a function on each element of an array. Is an array method used to execute a function on each element. It is often used when you want to iterate through all items in an array without writing a traditional for. Without writing a traditional for loop. Array.for each function element index array go to run for each element. The current element being processed required index. The index of the current element array the entire array being traversed. Current element being processed. Basic example: let numbers 10, 20, 30. Number for each function num console.log output 10, 20, 30. With arrow function. Let fruits apple, banana, mango. Fruit for each fruit console.log fruit to uppercase. Okay. Color index console.log index. Accessing the whole. Accessing the whole array. I will have to see this. Accessing the whole index array, consider prints the whole array in each iteration. Okay. I hope it is working. I guess I will see this in the video. I don't understand this from the notes and the algebra explanation, so I will see it from the video. Map creates a new array by performing some operation on each array element. Filter an array with values. Arrays can be looped through using the class with the actually follow. Sorry. This an array with values that passes a test creates a new array. Okay, filters an array with values that passes a test creates a new array. Const equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A dot filter greater than 5. There's no greater than 5 in this, so maybe it will say empty. Let's see. La 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 la. What was it? What was the syntax filters? Is this how you write greater? Like this is the syntax greater than 5. I don't know if this is right or wrong. I think it is wrong actually. It is wrong. There's something wrong with this syntax. A dot filter greater than 5. Greater than 5. Is this how you write it? I'll have to see this in the video. I don't understand it from the notes. So yeah, this is the advantage of reading the notes first. You first clear out your concepts of what you know and what you don't know, and later on you can just skip through the video or just watch it in 2x. Reduce method reduces an array to a single value. Const and 1, 8, 7, 11. Let sum equals to numbers dot reduce add. Sum 1 plus 8 plus 7 plus 11 numbers dot reduce add a function. Okay, so for this we first have to create a sum function, and then after that the reduce array method. Not array method. This is looking and this is also a method, but not exactly an array method. Array from used to create an array from or from any other object. Array from head. Array from head. Okay, let's see. Console.log array from and this maybe I don't know. Okay, this is how it works. Okay. Pretty cool. It can be used, I guess, in real life sometimes. Used to create an array from any other object. La 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 la. Array from okay for off, yeah, for off loop, for in and for off. For off loop can be used to get the values. For in loop can be used to get the keys. I have to write this in my note. I think I haven't brought. Okay, I have brought loops to the keys of an object, loops to the values of an object. Okay, it is pretty simple. So that was it for the notes. Now I'll watch the videos, you know. Where is it? Now I will watch the videos if possible. Let me take a break. Let me take a 5-minute break. stretch. I'll stretch for a bit. I'm tired. Yes, hello, I'm back. So yeah, I finished reading the notes, and now I will watch the video of Harry. Will I get copyright? I don't think I will get copyright. The audio will just play in the background. I am just learning this all for educational purposes. I don't think there will be any copyright. Let's see.
पर्टिकुलर नाम के अंदर रखना होता है, कभी भी हमें एक एंटाइटी को एक पर्टिकुलर नाम के अंदर रखना होता है, तो हम लोग एरे का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। जावास्क्रिप्ट के अंदर एरे कलेक्शन ऑफ मल्टीपल डेटा टाइप्स होता है। आप नंबर्स, स्ट्रिंग्स या ऑब्जेक्ट्स भी ऐड कर सकते हैं। एक एरे के अंदर अलग अलग डेटा टाइप के वेरिएबल्स हो सकते हैं। कहाँ इस्तेमाल होगा एरे की, मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगा और किस तरह से आप लोग इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो। बहुत क्लोजली एरे और उसके फंक्शंस को देखने वाले हैं। इस वीडियो को लाइक करके नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में सिग्मा बैचों की जरूर लिख देना। अगर आप लोग सिग्मा बैच को सो फार एंजॉय कर रहे हो तो चलते हैं कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन में। तो अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक नोट्स डाउनलोड नहीं किया तो आप codewithharry.com/notes पर जाकर डाउनलोड करें और यहाँ पर जावास्क्रिप्ट नोट्स डाउनलोड करने के बाद चैप्टर 5 सीखा जाए। तो एरे का इस्तेमाल क्यों किया जाता है? इसलिए किया जाता है ताकि आप लोग एक नाम के अंदर आप मल्टीपल वैल्यूज को स्टोर कर पाएं। जैसे मान लो मैं एक दूसरा एरे बनाऊं तो उसमें मैं डाल सकता हूं बनाना, एप्पल, ग्रेप्स। मान लो मैं एक कलेक्शन ऑफ लेट अस से 7 हैरी एंड फॉल्स बनाना चाहता हूं। डिफरेंट डेटा टाइप भी हो सकते हैं एक नाम के अंदर। लेकिन मैं आप लोगों को ये बताना चाहता हूं कि जब एक्चुअल में हम लोग वेब डेवलपमेंट करेंगे तो कहां पर यूज होंगे ये एरेज। ये एरेज आप लोग यूज करोगे जब आप लेट अस से रिएक्ट में एक कंपोनेंट बना रहे हो और उस कंपोनेंट जैसे 50 आप लोगों को बनाने हैं। मैं आप लोगों को कोई भी एक ब्लॉक का एग्जांपल दिखाता हूं। लेट अस से हमारे पास ये वाला ब्लॉक है, ठीक है। तो ये ब्लॉक टैग क्रंच टेक्नोलॉजी लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पर। मान लो ये हमारा ब्लॉग है। इस वेबसाइट में आप लोग देखोगे जो कार्ड्स है ये रिपीट हो रहे हैं। ये कार्ड है, ये कार्ड है, ये कार्ड है, फिर इसके बाद ये एक कार्ड है, ये एक कार्ड है, ये एक कार्ड है, फिर इसके बाद ये जो है ये सिमिलर है सारे। तो ये आपके पास एक एरे में आएंगे जिसपे ऑब्जेक्ट्स होंगे। उसमें लिखा होगा ब्लॉग आर्टिकल्स, ये और ये। फिर एक ऑब्जेक्ट होगा उसमें टाइटल में लिखा होगा शुड आई बिकम अ टेक्नोलॉजी स्पेशलिस्ट और जर्नलिस्ट। और इसके बाद लिखा होगा यहाँ पर कैटेगरी, फिर यहाँ पर लिखा होगा डिस्क्रिप्शन। तो इस तरह की चीजें आपको एरे ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स के फॉर्म में दी जाएंगी और आपका काम होगा कि आपको यूआई पर से डिस्प्ले कराना होगा यूजिंग रिएक्ट। वो सारी चीजें तो हम लोग बाद में देखेंगे, लेकिन अभी एरे क्या होते हैं ये हम लोग देख रहे हैं। तो मैं यहाँ पर जल्दी से आ जाऊंगा और वीडियो नंबर 63 के नाम से रहे और यहाँ पर मैं क्या करूंगा index.html बनाता हूँ और यहाँ पर मैं वाइट डालकर एक स्क्रिप्ट ऐड करता हूँ और नोट जैसे मैं चला सकता हूँ। मैंने दोनों चॉइसेस आप लोगों को दी, ठीक है। नोट जैसे चाहो तो नोट जैसे चला लो। अगर आप चाहते हो कि आप एक वेबसाइट बनाने के माइंडसेट से बनाना चाहते हो इन सब एआरआर नाम से वेरिएबल बनाए जो कि एरे है। अब मैं कह सकता हूँ 1 2 3 4 5 7 ये मैंने मान लो एक एरे बना दिया। अब इस एरे को बनाने के बाद अगर मैं console.log करूं ARR तो ये कुछ इस तरह से दिखेगा। किस तरह से दिखेगा? अरे इस तरह से दिखेगा यार। किस तरह से दिखेगा? दिखाता हूं। ये देखो इस तरह से दिखेगा। ये कह रहा है ये एक एरे है जिसके अंदर 5 एलिमेंट्स हैं और इस पे क्लिक करोगे तो आपके पांचों एलिमेंट्स आप लोगों को दिख जाएंगे। इसकी लेंथ भी दिखाई जा रही है 5, ठीक है। अब अगर मान लो मैं इसी एरे की लेंथ को प्रिंट करना चाहता हूं तो मैं console.log करके ARR.length कर सकता हूं। जिस तरह से मैंने स्ट्रिंग में भी आप लोगों को बताया था कि स्ट्रिंग की भी लेंथ को प्रिंट कर सकते हैं और उसी प्रकार से एरे के अंदर कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं पता लगाने के लिए हम लोग ARR या फिर जो भी एरे का नाम है डॉट लेंथ का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। नोट कर रहे हैं, ये ऐसा फंक्शन मैंने रन करा है, सिर्फ डॉट लेंथ लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है। तो ये बहुत ही बेसिक फॉर्म है एरे का। अब अगर मान लो मैं इस एरे को चेंज करना चाहता हूं तो क्या मैं कर सकता हूं? एरे इम्यूटेबल होता है, कर सकता हूं। स्ट्रिंग इम्यूटेबल होता है। आपने देखा होगा जब भी हम स्ट्रिंग पर ऑपरेशन कर रहे थे तो वो एक नई स्ट्रिंग रिटर्न कर रहा था। यानी कि जब भी मैं एक स्ट्रिंग में कुछ चेंज करूंगा तो ओरिजिनल स्ट्रिंग इंटैक्ट रहेगी। लेकिन एरे अगर मैं चाहूंगा तो चेंज कर पाऊंगा। इसे कहते हैं म्यूटेबिलिटी ऑफ एरेज। स्ट्रिंग्स आर इम्यूटेबल, एरेज आर म्यूटेबल, एज सिंपल एज दैट। तो console.log ARR मैंने आपको बताया। फिर लेंथ आप इस प्रकार से पता कर सकते हो। देखो यार अगर आप लोगों ने नोट्स एक्सेस नहीं करे और प्रिंट भी नहीं निकलवाया तो प्रिंट निकलवा दो जाके, इसमें मेरा कोई फायदा नहीं है। आपके नजदीक जरा स्किल बनने का फायदा मैं ऐसा फायदा भी करना चाहता हूं तो आपका भी हो सकेगा। तो अगर मैं यहाँ पर ARR 0 करूँ तो मुझे 1 मिलेगा, ARR 1 करूँ तो 2 मिलेगा, ARR 3 करूँ तो 0 से गिनती करूंगा 0 1 2 3, ये ARR 3 होगा मेरा तो 5 मिलेगा। तो अगर मैं इसके नीचे यहाँ पर लिखूं कुछ इस तरह से, मान लो मैं लिखूं 0 और फिर लिखूं 1, फिर लिखूं 2, फिर लिखूं 3, फिर लिखूं 4, ठीक है। तो आप लोग यहाँ पर देखना कि जो नंबर्स मैंने लिखे हुए हैं ये इंडेक्स है एरे की, ठीक है। तो अगर मैं यहाँ पर इंडेक्स लिख दूं कुछ इस प्रकार से एंड ऑब्वियसली इसको मैं कमेंट आउट करूंगा, ठीक है। तो आप देखो ये इंडेक्स 0 पे 1 है, 1 पे 2 है और 2 पे 4 है, 3 पे 5 है, 4 पे 7 है। तो मैं ARR 0 करूंगा तो 1 आएगा, ARR 1 करूंगा तो 2 आएगा, क्योंकि गिनती 0 से स्टार्ट होती है। ये इस एरे की इंडेक्स है, ठीक है। तो अगर मैं यहाँ पर इस प्रकार से लिखूं, मान लो मैंने लिखा ARR 0, मान लो लिखा ARR 2, फिर लिखा ARR 4। ARR 4 की जगह 7 आएगा, तो यहाँ पर ARR 0 की जगह आएगा 1, 2 की जगह आएगा क्या 4 और ARR 4 जब मैं एक्सेस करूंगा यानी कि 4th इंडेक्स वाला एलिमेंट एक्सेस करूंगा तो 7 आएगा। क्या आउटपुट होगा इसका? इसका आउटपुट होगा 1 4 7। तो आप लोग को दिखाओ तो ये देखना आप लोग 1 4 और 7 यहाँ पर आ गया और ये 5 जो है मैंने एरे की जो लेंथ लिखी थी उससे आया है। तो इस प्रकार से आप लोग जो है लेंथ पता कर सकते हो एरे की और उसी के साथ साथ आप लोग एरे की वैल्यू को चेंज भी कर सकते हो, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था। स्ट्रिंग में आप लोग ऐसा नहीं कर सकते। अगर आप स्ट्रिंग में कुछ ऐसा करने की कोशिश करो वो नहीं कर सकते आप, क्योंकि स्ट्रिंग होती है इम्यूटेबल। मान लो मैं 566 5666 रख दूं ARR 0 को, क्या मेरा एरे चेंज हो जाएगा? हाँ चेंज हो जाएगा। मान लो मैंने ARR 0 5666 कर दिया, अब एरे ये नहीं रहेगा, यहाँ पर 5666 आ जाएगा, क्योंकि मैंने कहा है कि इंडेक्स 0 पर 5666 कर दो। बहुत ही सिंपल सी बात मैंने बोली है और यहाँ पर 5666 आ जाएगा। तो आप लोग अगर यहाँ पर देखोगे तो 5666 आ जाएगा, यहाँ पर 4 आया, यहाँ पर 7 आया, ठीक है। तो कुछ इस तरह से आप लोग जो है कर सकते हो। आई होप समझ में आ रहा है सबको। और एरे जो है वो म्यूटेबल होते हैं। स्ट्रिंग में अगर ये चीज करने की कोशिश करोगे नहीं कर पाओगे। आपको एक दिखाता हूँ थोड़ा सा करके। लेट ए इज इक्वल टू, मान लो मैं कहता हूँ हैरी, ठीक है, और मैं कहूँ कि ए जीरो को क्या कर दो, ए जीरो को कर दो मान लो के, ऐसे करने की कोशिश
Let
करो।
me leave a message so that people who come knows what I'm doing. So I think I can pin this, right? Yep. It's pinned, so now whoever comes can see what I'm doing. Okay.
और मैं फिर इसके बाद ए लिखूं तो चेंज नहीं होगा, यहाँ पर हैरी ही लिख कर आ रहा है। तो ए जीरो इज इक्वल टू के मैंने किया, तो आप लोग देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पर हैरी ही लिख कर आ रहा है, चेंज नहीं हुआ, पहला एलिमेंट चेंज नहीं हुआ ए का, तो जो स्ट्रिंग थी वो चेंज नहीं हुई, ठीक है। तो आपने यहाँ पर देख लिया कि आप ये नहीं कर सकते जो मैंने यहाँ पर करने की कोशिश करी, ठीक है। तो इस प्रकार से जो है आप लोग का एरे जो है वो काम करता है। अब एरे के बहुत सारे मेथड्स होते हैं, ठीक है, बहुत सारे मेथड्स होते हैं, और उन मेथड से आप एरे को चेंज कर सकते हो। बाय द वे, अगर मैं यहाँ पर टाइप ऑफ एरे को लॉक करूँ तो एक ऑब्जेक्ट बताता है, तो एरे, टाइप ऑफ एरे को ऑब्जेक्ट बताता है। जावास्क्रिप्ट रीलोड करूं अगर, ये क्या हुआ, ओके, यहाँ पर मैंने प्रिंट किया टाइप ऑफ एरे, एरे और टाइप ऑफ एरे, तो ऑब्जेक्ट प्रिंट होता है। तो टाइप ऑफ एरे जब भी आप प्रिंट करते हो तो ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं जावास्क्रिप्ट में एरेज। तो जावास्क्रिप्ट एरेज आर ऑब्जेक्ट्स, टाइप ऑफ ऑपरेटर और एरेज रिटर्न्स ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है। तो इस तरह से आप लोग जो है इसका टाइप पता कर सकते हो। कुछ मेथड्स है एरे के जो जल्दी से आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, बाकी नोट्स आपके पास है और समझदार आप खुद हो। हम लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा टाइम यहाँ प्रोजेक्ट्स में बनाएंगे, बिताएंगे, ठीक है, आने वाले टाइम में। देयर आर सम इंपॉर्टेंट एरे मेथड्स, जैसे कि टू स्ट्रिंग, अगर आप एक एरे को स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हो टू स्ट्रिंग कर दो। तो अगर मैं इसको कमेंट आउट कर दूं यहाँ पर, एरे की लेंथ और इस सबको भी कमेंट आउट कर दूं, और अगर मैं यहाँ पर इस एरे को कहूं arr.toString और मैं कंसोल लॉग करूं, Hi, I'm Anya and I'm here to invite you to the Skills Academy at arr.toString और मैं कंसोल लॉग करूं टू स्ट्रिंग, और इस तरह से मैं रन करूं, तो आप लोग देखो इसको कंसोल लॉग करके मुझे ये एरे एज अ स्ट्रिंग मिल गया, कॉमा सेपरेटेड स्ट्रिंग। तो ये एक स्ट्रिंग है, ठीक है। तो अगर मैं एक एरे को स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट करना चाहता हूं तो कुछ इस प्रकार से कर सकता हूं। क्यों हम ऐसा करना चाहेंगे ये हम लोग जब प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे तब आपको पता चलेगा, बट ऐसा कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। इसके बाद जॉइन मेथड होता है। जॉइन क्या करेगा, अगर मान लो मेरे पास एक एरे एलिमेंट है जिसमें मान लो कुछ नंबर्स है और मैं इसको ऐसे प्रिंट करना चाहता हूँ 1 एंड 2 एंड 4 एंड 5 एंड 7, तो मैं कुछ ऐसे कर सकता हूँ। मैं कह सकता हूँ console.log और मैं कह सकता हूँ arr.join और मैं यहाँ पर जॉइन लिखने के बाद डबल कोट्स के अंदर एंड लिख दूंगा और यहाँ स्पेसेस भी दे दूंगा, तो जो है ये एरे ज्वाइन हो जाएगा एंड से। इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जहां जहां पर कॉमर्स थे वहां एंड आ जाएगा और ये एरे के एलिमेंट्स इस प्रकार से आ जाएंगे। जब वेब डेवलपमेंट करोगे फ्रंट एंड यूआई पर कुछ आप लोग डिस्प्ले कराने की कोशिश करोगे इस तरह
Okay, so yeah, I'm now taking a break. The charge, if the charge is also 34 of my device, so I think it will be a nice time to take a break. I also have to take my lunch. I haven't eaten my lunch. Yeah, let's see how much did I study. 1 hour 29 minutes. So yeah, 1 hour 30 minutes, just like yesterday. Yesterday it was most probably 1 hour 20 minutes. So yeah, that's it for this live. Now I will come back. I will definitely come back um, after having lunch. So yeah, I will also put my laptop in charge till then. So yeah, thank you for sticking. I will come back with another live in the evening. So yeah, thank you for sticking and see you guys in the next one. Bye.